Came home yesterday and found this box sitting on my front porch, and ever since then I have been just waiting to tear into it and see what's inside. See, my buddy Derek Kimball over at Kimball Hardwoods sent this out. He told me he was gonna send me a mystery box. Wouldn't tell me what was gonna be inside, but my interest is piqued. Because if you don't know who Derek Kimball is, which I'll leave some links in the description below, go check him out. He has the most amazing collection of quilted maple, flame maple, billets, drop tops, all that you could possibly want for guitars and instruments. Just gorgeous, gorgeous hardwood. So I know whatever's gonna be inside this box is probably gonna make my jaw drop. So I figured, let's record this, let's do an unboxing. We'll see together what's in this box, and I'm already gonna say thanks, Derek, because whatever you sent me, it's gonna be awesome. So let's tear into this thing. Now, to save some time, I did already cut open the back of the tape because he really secured this well. So I did razor blade all the way around here, but I promise you, I have not looked to see what's inside this. So this is gonna be my honest initial reaction to what's inside this box. So what's inside the box? Let's look. Oh, wow. This is really well packaged. Let's see. A lot of saran wrap. Oh boy. Oh man. Let's get this out of the box. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Let's get this box out of the way. Oh. I'm gonna need a knife. 1 second. All right, I'm back with my Duresta razor blade, and I can already tell this is some really crazy looking quilted maple. But it looks like there's a huge billet body blank underneath. Let's open this up and see. Oh, I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. Oh, here we go. Now let's do one more cut. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh boy, look at that. And he's got an Explorer body traced out on that. Maybe I'll have to make an Explorer. Oh man, that is just insane. Look at that. Woo! Goodness. You know what? I'm gonna get some mineral spirits real quick. Hold on 1 second. All right, I'm back with some mineral spirits here on this shop towel. Let's see how this figure pops. Oh boy. Oh man. It looks three-dimensional already. That is gorgeous. Wow. All right, let's see what this is. This looks crazy. What is this? I have no idea what type of wood this is. Ingrain is not really helping out. Is this one solid one piece? Oh man, it is. This is a solid one piece body blank, but I don't know what species this is. Looks like there's a little bit of spalting there on the edge. It could also be bark. Nope. Huh. Well, I'm stumped. I'm not sure what this is. It's got an odd color. I haven't seen it before. It looks kind of porous. Huh, I'm gonna have to ask Derek. I'll be sure to ask him, and then I'll put it in the description below of what this actually turned out to be. But looks like I'll be making another guitar, and it just might be an Explorer. What do you think? Hey, Future Nick here with a quick interruption. I was just finishing up editing, and then I was DMing with Derek, and he was giving me the scoop on the combination here. And he says that the body blank is a one-piece White Limba. not Black Limba. I've heard of Black Limba, but this is White Limba. It's very similar to Black Limba, but it doesn't have the black streaking that the Black Limba does. And he said that in 1959, the original Gibson Explorer was a two-piece White Limba body. So he gave me a one-piece, which is insane. So I'm for sure gonna be making an Explorer. That's why he drew the Explorer outline on the drop top. I'm totally making an Explorer. Later on in the video, I'm gonna ask, what should I make out of this? Should I make an Explorer, Strat, Telecaster? Nope, disregard that. I'm making an Explorer. All right, back to the video. In fact, down in the comments, what would you like to see this top turn out to be? An Explorer? Maybe another Telecaster of some sort? Stratocaster, what do you want to see? I'm really digging the Explorer body though. That looks pretty sick. And this is a thick drop top, at least 1/4 inch. Nice. All right. Well, my day has been made. Hope you liked this video. Again, thank you so much, Derek, for sending this out. Can't wait to, cut this thing up and turn it into a guitar. Go check Derek out. Again, links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.